Guys, I got my cake. We good. Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Alana. I love you gotta hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. And if you're returning, welcome back. So you guys, today is my birthday. Today is my birthday, which is crazy. I thought that I would do like a 2-in-1 get ready with me, and I might include like a mini vlog because I am planning to go out to eat later on in the day. So it's gonna be like a 2-in-1, you know. So we're gonna be doing my hair and putting this wig on. I mean, the wig looks already like it's installed, but it's not, y'all. It's not on yet. It's giving glueless. Yeah, it's not installed. We're doing my makeup in today's video and applying this wig, you guys, because you know, why not? So I'm really not doing too much today, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna be like a real just chit chat, I guess. Get ready with me, and plus a mini vlog. So like I said, I'm just going out to eat, nothing too crazy. I was going to go away for my birthday, like go on a trip, but I thought about it. You know, your girl's getting older, so I'm really trying to like save my money, you know, just watch what I'm spending. I'm just feeling so blessed. I'm feeling so thankful to just be here for my birthday, and I'm just so, I'm gonna start installing this wig while I talk, but I'm just feeling so blessed and so thankful, and I'm just feeling filled with happiness and just joy, and it's a blessing. So you know, I really just don't do too much, you know. I just want to keep it real simple, just go out to eat. And the thing about it is, like, planning for birthdays is just so, it's a lot. Like trying to get everybody to be on the same page with you, you know, trying to plan everything out. Say if I was going to like another state or something, you got to plan like a whole itinerary, you know, so you can have stuff planned for everybody. Like it'd be a lot, y'all. So, and my problem is sometimes I'm like, oh, my birthday's coming up. It'll be like April, right? And I'll be like, oh my gosh, my birthday's coming up in June, and I still wouldn't plan nothing. And then before I know it, my birthday's here, and I'm like, oh shit, I didn't plan anything. So like, the time just be going by so fast where I'm like, okay, I guess I'm not planning nothing. So but the thing is, y'all, I'm a real simple girl. I really keep things real simple. To me, going out to eat is all I really ask for. I really don't want to do too much, you know. Exciting things coming up in the later on years. So like graduating college is like one of my biggest goals on my list, and I have a lot more that I may share with you guys in the future, but that's like on the top of my list. So I just have a lot of exciting things to look forward to. Who's texting me? It's supposed to rain. Wow, it's gonna rain today. That's crazy. Oh yeah, I didn't tell y'all what I'm doing. Did I tell y'all? So yeah, I'm going out to eat, nothing too crazy, and my mom just told me that it's about to rain today, which is crazy, but it's okay, because it's not okay, but it is okay because I wanted to eat outside, because where I'm going, they have like a rooftop where you can sit outside and eat your food, but I guess I'm not gonna be able to do that, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna apply this wig. I'm doing this in sections because it's that's too much. So I'm just gonna apply this wig real quick, and then we're gonna get started on my makeup. Alright y'all, so I applied my wig, as you guys can see. Now I'm just parting it because I think I'm gonna go for a side part. And my outfit today, y'all, is real, it's nothing too crazy. It's like a plain black dress that I got from Chit, and we're gonna be inside, but I'm still gonna wear like a jacket or whatever. Yeah, I'm not, like I said, y'all, I'm doing it real basic this year, real simple. All my future birthdays are gonna be real simple at this point, because I'm gonna do my hair. My hair is really not gonna take that long, as you guys can obviously tell, because I'm just reapplying this wig. And one thing about me, y'all, I'm gonna rewear a wig. Like, I'm gonna rewear my wigs. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna put a wig back on real quick. I'm gonna rewear a wig with no problem, like real fast, real bad. So yeah, we're gonna go for the side parts today because I'm kind of over the middle parts. Trying out this new lip gloss. I seen it on Twitter. Everybody was talking about how this lip gloss is better than the other one, and I don't know, this must have something in it, because like it be making my lips feel like tingly. I don't know, it's weird. It's weird. Like, I'm like, why doesn't my lips feel like that? I just can't believe y'all like how old I'm getting. I'm really not that old, y'all, but it just feels like I'm getting real old. Like, where's the time going? What's going on? What's going on? I really hope I could get some good footage for y'all at this restaurant. I think I will though. I might not do like a lot of talking in it. I'm probably just gonna be like doing like montages or whatnot. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Honestly. If you know where that's from, comment down below, because we can definitely be friends for sure. It's like, honestly, what happened? I'm about to spray a little more. I love when my makeup like sits for a little bit. Like, I really don't like the way my makeup looks when I first do it. You gotta like let your makeup sit for a little bit, and then that's when it just looks so much better. Like, you gotta let it like marinate into your skin, and then it's like fire. You know what I'm saying? If you wear makeup, then you know what I'm talking about. Ooh, almost burnt myself. All right, let me put some water in this hair, because it's giving, I don't know what it's giving right now. And y'all, I don't know what is going on outside. It's like something going on in the world where like it's like real smoky outside. It's so weird. Like the air like is like bad or something like that. Like the air literally looks yellow. Like it's so weird. I don't know what is going on right now, but it's like crazy. It's been like this for like a few days now. I wish I could see. I don't know if I want to diffuse. Ah, come on. I have contacts in. I know what I hate about wearing contacts. Like, you can't go in the water with your contacts on. Like, you can't get in the shower with your contacts. You can't go in the water. You can't do nothing with contacts. Like, I just wish I could see sometimes without any corrective lenses. If you don't have to wear contacts or glasses, you're lucky. I'm telling you, you're lucky. So I'm not gonna like drench it in water. So I think I'm just gonna like just wet it a little bit, not too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, give it a little, just a little 1-2. All right, y'all, we're gonna get started on this makeup. So let me get my stuff together and I'll be right back. Now it's time for my makeup. So I'm gonna start by priming my face with this e.l.f. hoodie primer. And I was thinking I might do an updated like makeup routine, going into like in depth of like specifically all the products that I use. 1, 2, 3, da da da, boom boom boom. You know what I'm saying? I bought like this whole pack of like powder puffs from Amazon, and I really wanted to try them out. I heard a lot of people talking about how they like it better than the Beauty Blender. No, it's not too bad. I think I gotta just get used to it, because I'm so used to using my Beauty Blender. Like, I'm just so used to using my Beauty Blender all the time. It definitely worked. Oh my gosh, I don't use that for my powder. What am I doing? It's not that hot outside, so I don't have to worry about my makeup sweating off. So that's ugh, that just went in my nose. I always powder my face first. I don't know what it is, y'all, but I don't like having lip gloss when I do my makeup. I don't know why. I just don't like it. I feel like I'm weird for that. Let's blend this in with my brush. Y'all, this is like the best brush ever. This is the Morphe M49 brush. I love this brush so much. I really gotta get more new brushes, actually. I've had these brushes for like years. Alright, you guys, so my makeup is complete. As you guys can see, my hair is done. So later on, I'm gonna show y'all probably my outfit. Yeah, so now it's only 3:26, so my dinner is not until around like 6:30-ish. So I will check in with y'all later when I have my jewelry on and looking cute. So yeah, I think this is what it's gonna give today. Like nothing too crazy, you know, a little 1-2.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty time.
You got it out. You want to be on my YouTube channel? Alright, fine. Oh my god, this plate is heavy. This skillet. It's on that piece in here. Oh, the mac and cheese. Yeah. It's a strong smell. It's a lot. I'm 25. Can you guys believe it? Yeah, Mama. Oh, creme brulee. Yes. Oh, creme brulee. Yeah. Like just a little bit. Just a little bit. What's that, flan? No, come on. That looks so good. Guys, I got my cake. I mean, not my cake. I got my, what is this, a cake? It's right here. Alright y'all, so that was everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your love and support. And cheers to another year. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.